Struggling to write TikTok or Reels hooks that make people stop scrolling? If your first 3 seconds are weak, no one sticks around to see your content. Here's the truth. The best short-form videos grab attention with just one line. And with AI, you don't have to guess what that line should be. Studies show videos with strong hooks get up to 4 times more watch time. Yet most creators still wing it and wonder why their views are low. So let's fix that. Here's how to write magnetic hooks in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Start with a bold result or surprising fact. Instead of saying "learn how to budget, try watch me save half my income without tracking every cent." That line opens a loop. It makes people curious and keeps them watching. Step 2. Address a relatable problem or mistake. For example, stop posting daily if your content still isn't growing. It feels honest. It calls out what the viewer is secretly thinking. Step 3. Use AI Creator Max to generate 10 hook variations instantly. Pick the one that hits hardest and save the rest for testing later. You'll never run out of ideas and you'll get better results in less time. Bonus tip: make sure your hook matches your content. Don't bait and switch. The best videos keep their promise all the way through. AI Creator Max helps you match the tone, format, and audience of each hook to your message. This is part of a full playlist on short-form content that actually works. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and comment what type of content you create. To start writing better hooks in seconds, visit aicreatormax.com and try it free.